Good Thursday! What are we making today? I think it's a perfect day for a ham and potato salad. It's so hot down here. I've got the air conditioner running in the background. It's one of these giant air conditioners. I'll try to edit out the sound. I believe this is my third Daylight Time Savers recipe from 1969. We did the stroganoff meatball soup, chicken and cucumber. This is our third, and it's such a hot day. What a perfect day to make a salad. I'm a little worried about this recipe. There's no mayonnaise in this ham and potato salad. We're using Campbell's cream of celery soup, and I chose the lower sodium one. I hope that's not a mistake. Ham is salty, but seriously, what worries me, you've got cream of celery soup, and we're using vinegar. Cream of celery soup and vinegar. Don't you want to know what it tastes like? I do. Here we've got some sweet pickles. Not gherkins. It doesn't say gherkins anywhere. I think they're pretty much the same thing, but these are bigger. And it does say sweet pickles in the recipe. Not gherkins. The gist is we have a cup and a half of cubed ham. That's farmland ham. 3 cups of potatoes cubed, 2 tablespoons of green onion, 1/4 cup of sweet pickles, 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. How much vinegar? 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Fucking tripod's in my way. Daylight Time Savers, ham and potato salad, 1969. Maybe we should try the egg. We know what the egg... No, let's do it. Let's try a piece of ham first. That's a pretty good sized piece of ham. All right. Cream of celery soup and vinegar. It's totally celery. You can totally taste the celery. I have to have a piece of egg. Let me have a piece of egg. We like hard-boiled eggs. Let's try a piece of ham and potato. All right? You know, it's not bad. It's so different. I really wonder what a little bit of mayonnaise just mixed in would taste like. You know, with the celery soup, a little traditional mayonnaise. Let's try that again. It's just different. It's not your traditional ham and potato salad. I really don't know how I feel. Let's get a pickle. Do we get a pickle? No. Let's get a pickle and a potato. I actually kind of like the pickle. I'm not a big fan of sweet pickles. We're going to try a little bit of mayonnaise, just a little bit. Put it on the side here. Let's just mix a little mayo with the celery. Because we can. Maybe a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. You know, it would give it a more traditional look. Do I have a potato? Let's get a potato. Celery soup with a little vinegar and some mayonnaise. Alright. That's really good. Holy moly. Move the eggs. We like the eggs, but we don't want to mush them up right now. Alright, I'll eat that one. Move you here. Use your finger, man. Alright, let's we tried it their way. It makes it look more opaque, which is what we're used to. Let's give it another shot. I really like that. It makes a big difference. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. We have our leftovers. It's just... It needs that little bit of mayonnaise. Oh, and it looks good, right? There's one.